What's up, guys? Back for a little update. Haven't really been doing much to it just because life, but I'm gonna go get some coolant hoses, run this coolant hose over here. I just needed it a little bit longer since this pulley's right here. I also need to get some hoses for the intercooler, because if you see here, you got one hose there, and then I gotta run one hose up to where the supercharger sits once it obviously gets mounted. I also need to grab a hose here over here. This is the pump, so it pretty much pumps water through here. So I need a hose from there to the reservoir. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep. So I'll update you once I come back and put those on. Oh, rip. Well, that's the start to my day. Picked up those hoses. Hopefully they all work for what I need. I'm gonna put them on the car and then I'll come back and show you guys. Alright guys, back with a little update. I ran this hose down here to the pump. Got one line from the pump to the intercooler, or air cooler, whatever you want to call it. You got this hose ran up. That one sits towards the blower. So once the blower's mounted, there's one that goes here. And then this is another hose, but then there's another one that goes right here. This hose I needed to make it custom since the pulleys are here. I had to run these hoses outwards and zip tie them up here to the radiator support, so that I'm able to, get a good amount of clearance because it's pretty tight in there. So yeah, moving along good. My next step is wiring in the pump. It's just the power and ground. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find which one of these off of the windshield fluid reservoir, which one of these is on with ignition, so that way I'll just wire it directly to that and then ground it somewhere, and then that way the pump will turn on with ignition and I won't have an issue there. I do have, I don't know if you guys can see it, a little fan right there on the intercooler. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to run that to a switch, so that way I can have control of turning it on or off. But yeah, so moving along great. I'll update you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. Really didn't do much shit, but I got the hoses ran. So the next thing I gotta do is cut this hose and put a little adapter with 2 clamps. All these hoses are done. I ran this hose up through here, and that's just sitting waiting for the blower. Then over here on this side, I rigged my pump, some zip ties, and I made a little ground, so I'm going to put that there. Explode. But yeah, so that's what I did today. Not much. I'm still waiting on injectors. I actually need to go get bolts as well for this tensioner. These bolts right there are kind of a pain, and I only have one. So, rip. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Peace. Yo, what's up, guys? Back for another update here on my Z. I'm going to show you guys what I did. So, I was saying in the last video, I needed to get a little hose clip that adapted these 2 hoses. Since I have to run these hoses here, due to where this pulley sits, I'm running them down there. I also came up over here. Don't make fun of my wiring. It is trash, but I wired in the pump power to a wire that was like off the windshield washer reservoir that worked on ignition. So I just wired it to that. I tested it. Everything seemed to work great. The pump kicked on. That ground worked. So far so good. My whole garage smells like E85 though, because I don't have a fuel rail, and yeah, it spilled E85 everywhere. So that was great. But yeah, just a little update. So thank you for watching.